Hi everyone, hi flutist, Sebastian Jacot here. I'm on my way back from dress rehearsal in Salzburg with the Berlin Phil. Yeah, I was supposed to do this video about 3 months ago, to invite you to come to the 14th Flute Festival in Zagorje ob Savi in Slovenia. Last weekend of September of this year, where I will be giving a masterclass and a nice concert, I hope so at least, with Amedeo Salvato, a good friend and a great pianist, great musician. So I'm very excited about that. And well, I've never been to Slovenia, so if like me you're curious and excited about discovering the artistic life and the people of Slovenia and share music all together, then please show up. And if you are Slovenian, please show up as well. Can't wait to meet you, and let's discover how much music we can share in one little weekend. Take care until then. I'm gonna go take a nap before the concert. Bye!